For too long, outdated materials have burdened our infrastructure. The solution? Supercover. Built for the heaviest loads, Supercover is HS25 traffic rated and completely immune to corrosion. It's built to last, guaranteed. Supercover's advanced composite has zero scrap value, securing your assets and your budget. Our engineered double gasket creates a superior watertight barrier to combat costly infiltration and inflow and ensure system efficiency. And with features like our bolted safety dish, we're not just protecting your infrastructure, we're protecting your people. Supercover, innovation that delivers unmatched durability, security, and long-term value for modern municipalities. Visit supercover.com to request a free demo today. Redefine your infrastructure.